Hi guys, Wix Harmony's powerful built-in AI tool usually takes care of most things for you. But if you want to learn how to manually add an alt text to your images on the Wix Harmony editor, here's how you can do it. On the Wix Harmony editor, go to the Pages drop-down right over here. Look for the page that you want to work on, and then click on the three-dot button next to it. From the drop-down, go to SEO and Accessibility, then select SEO. Here, make sure that you expand the menu list. Then, go to Add Alt Text to Image and expand this as well. Now, click on Get Started. Here, you should see which images already have alt texts to them and which ones do not. So for those images that don't have any alt text yet, hover over them and click on the Edit button next to it. Now you'll have the option to add an alt text to that specific image. Just make sure to follow the tip here. So give a concise description of what is shown in the image. Don't start the alt text with image of or picture of. Just be direct to the point. And if you're having trouble creating an alt text, you can also seek the help of Wix Harmony's AI by clicking Generate with AI. And then click on Apply. Now you just have to repeat the process until you finish adding alt texts to all of your images. And there you have it. Hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video.